Meteorologist Chris Higgins live outside, and I'm soaking up a little bit of sunshine and definitely big smiles because behind me here we have our brand new weather deck. It's not a duck, it's a deck. Lakeside Renovation and Design weather deck. Matthew Jennings with Lakeside's with me. Matt, we're making great progress here today. You've already put on a bunch of the floorboards. Take me through, first of all, the canopy here, because I think that's a cool feature that a lot of decks don't have.
Yeah, a lot of our customers really want to maximize that deck space, that outdoor space, and to do that in all weather climates, a roof is definitely a necessity. It's going to block us from rain and sun in the St. Louis heat and give you a nice shaded space where we can put fans or heaters that really make it livable.
Now you guys do full enclosures sometimes also, not just open air or maybe screened in as well?
Yeah, we can do just an open overhang, or we can do a fully screened in unit, and we can even do units that have vinyl windows that close and open and really make it, bearable through most of the seasons, really.
Well, and helping it be bearable during the coldest seasons, we've got, it's a big hole in the back there right now,
Yep.
But in the not too distant future, something's going in there. Tell me about it.
Yeah, we're going to put a fireplace in there. Again, to make that, give you that warm, cozy feel outside in that outdoor space. The sun goes down, you turn on a fireplace, there's just absolute convenience there, whether wood burning or gas burning, that's something we do quite often.
Now, weather's obviously important to your business.
Yeah.
How's the weather been so far for getting the weather deck in?
So far, so good. Yesterday was a little rough, rainy, obviously, but it's really been good. Especially with last week being a little warm in the beginning, it's been nice to have the guys outside and enjoy it.
Well, and you guys, I know I'm not alone, but throughout the entire pandemic, I spent a lot more time either on the driveway, around a fireplace, or out on my not so nice deck in the backyard thinking, man, I really could use a new deck. A lot of folks coming to you with the same conundrum, maybe, hey, is this the time?
Yeah, I mean, when everybody's been trapped at home, we obviously start to see people reimagine their outdoor living space. And really what that is we can offer things like this to say, yeah, it actually can be really usable and really a space that you guys can feel safe and entertain your own family and have a safe space there.
The boss doesn't know this, but I might pitch a tent out here and just live here some of the times, especially when the weather's really nice. Matthew, thank you very much. We're going to bring you back in a couple of days, a couple of weeks, as we get further along in the project and talk about some of the other stuff you're putting in, but really appreciate it. This is going to be a whole lot of fun. A whole different way of presenting weather on the Lakeside Renovation and Design weather deck right here on Fox 2 News. All right, let's go ahead and bring on the big boards as a little bit of a breeze kicks up right now. Those temperatures, though, even